Hello, my name is Chris Kozup. I'm the Vice President of Marketing with HPE Aruba. I'm joined today by Daniel Greider. Daniel's the VP of IT with the Home Depot. Daniel, it's great to be talking with you today.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So I understand that you have been making some specific technology decisions around wireless, networking as it relates to what you're doing within the Home Depot. Tell me a little bit about some of your decision process.
Yeah, recent decisions, but I would tell you it dates back probably a year ago. We started looking at, we have 2,200 stores across the United States that needed refreshing of the wired and wireless. We've had Wi-Fi in our stores for quite some time and taking advantage of it, but we're in need of a refresh. And so about a year ago, we started evaluating the technologies, the providers that were out there to see which ones could meet some of our needs. The key things we were looking for, as most people nowadays are looking for software-defined network. They're looking to see how they anchor an infrastructure that they'll be able to build upon for that. So that was one of them. Customer analytics, obviously, as they're shopping our stores. And then others, location services, how we can help our customers find products in stores better.
Yeah, and it seems to me that the reliance on the network for applications within the store has grown dramatically, right? I can think of, the old days of retail where it was really centered around, barcode scanning for inventory management. But how has the application space within your stores changed and evolved?
Yeah, so we're actually with second generation First Phone, and it's basically a device that our stores have our associates use. There's a lot of apps we've built for just our associates in our stores that leverage Wi-Fi. And so we built upon that. So the Home Depot app, there's over 13 million downloads of our app from our customers, that not only the customers, but our associates are using them as well. So when you have 35,000 SKUs in a 100,000 square foot environment, it's tough to find the product sometimes.
Absolutely.
And so we think the location accuracy is going to play a big piece of that. And so I think as we start leveraging, whether it be inventory, restocking our associates, finding the product better to reshelf, or our customers walking in how to find the actual product they're looking for.
So one of the key things we see is this need to bridge the digital experience with the brick and mortar experience. And mobile engagement has been a key piece of that, but specifically location-based services. So how is the Home Depot using location to help with that?
We've been using location-based services for a while now, but the accuracy is missing. So we can get a customer or an associate to an aisle or partially into the aisle, but we can't get them to actually the actual bay we want to get them to. So I think we're hoping this actually can get it to the product. So the example is the customers coming in looking for weed control, is that we can take them to say it's in this aisle, turn by turn, this is bay, and look eye level, because here it is. So to be able to give that mapping, it's more specific. We're going to need some technology to help with that, and that's what we're hoping this will do for us.
That's great, and I understand it's also not just about customers, but your associates as well.
Yeah, so if you think about it, we have 300,000 associates working our stores, and so when you have 35,000 SKUs over 100,000 square foot, like I mentioned, it's tough for them to find product too.
Yeah.
And so this is going to help them, I think, as they go through helping our customers in the store, help them find that product faster too.
Absolutely.
Even restocking too. So they're looking for how to restock the shelves or to do our inventory to help them with that.
Excellent.
Yep.
Excellent. So we've learned today a little bit more about the transformation effect of network and wireless and mobility within the retail environment. So with that, I'd like to thank you so much.